Alright, so it is 9:54. Our live stream is not started, so I think I'm gonna have to rush and get back to my church. So the day of me taking off and relaxing looks like that's not gonna happen, so let's hurry up and get up there. I guess the idea today was for me to relax, but to also do kind of an assessment of our strengths and weaknesses. And I guess I'm noticing one of those things that I need to work on with our folks in the media ministry, because we don't want to get to the point where you have to depend on one person for everything. But that goes back to practicing the things that are being trained. So I think I know what I'm gonna have my thumbnail to be for this video, this vlog. Is gonna be break in case of emergency. Ended up getting to church around like 10:20, and one of my other folks in the media ministry who normally isn't there ended up coming up. Well, he normally isn't there for that Sunday. Came up there, and it was just me and him. And it's just one of those things there. Plus, we had a mass choir, so a lot of the people who normally would be in the media ministry were singing or they were on vacation. So, I don't know. I guess the whole thing is got to make sure whatever you establish is that we have forms of communication. Because again, in our media ministry, we have a wide range of people in different age groups. There's some people are comfortable with one level of technology, another one different, and the mindset is you just got to make sure that there is some form of unified communication, and being responsible enough to make sure you're listening to that communication so that there are no snafus, no other issues. Because again, I was going to take today off and actually work on some other stuff because I have to get in prep for another church and I'm helping out next Sunday. But thankfully, I wasn't an hour away, so I was able to get there. But I think in those type of moments, you always need to be able to have contingency plans. Again, I know we talk about contingency plans when you live stream, but contingency plans of, I always tell my media ministry, if you can't get this stuff working in about 5 seconds, it becomes a distraction. And I said it before, when the media ministry does everything right, no one notices what you're doing. But when you do something wrong, everybody does, because you get everybody turn their head back and looking the area where the media ministry is. And I think the other thing that happened today, they forgot about the announcements, so we didn't play any announcements at all today. I think we had a new worship leader that was kind of put off. I don't want to say put off, just kind of nervous. I'll just put it that way, because I know some of the stuff had a couple of missteps on some stuff or repeating some stuff. But I mean, hey, that's how you learn. You got to keep practicing, and that's about it. So I think I'm gonna stop, get some food to go cook for dinner, and then I think I'm gonna do church post-production today. And actually the guest minister that preached today was Pastor Kelvin. That is the New Jerusalem Baptist Church, the church I've been talking to y'all about, that I'm doing making a brand new website for them. But he's been so busy, I haven't had a chance to catch up with him. So it was good to talk with him, and we spoke just about that. We need to catch up, and so I can finish their stuff up. And that's about it. So anyway, if I don't say anything else, I will see y'all in church post-production.